Good morning, class 10th. So up to question number 8th we done. In live class 7th and 8th question we already finished. Now 9th and 10th question left of 7.2 exercise. So question number 9th is what? Find the coordinate of the point which divide the line segment joining A and B into 4 equal parts. Okay, question number 9th, that I will take points A, B. The point A is minus 2 comma 2. The point B is 2 comma 8. Now the line divided in 4 equal parts. We already done 3 equal parts. I think second question is there. Now 4 is, that will be the first part, second part, third part and fourth part. So these will be the parts I will mark as a point P. This will be point Q. This will be point R. Now all are divided in equal ratio 1, 1, 1 and 1. Now I will take for the first point P. I will talk about the point P. What is the value of M1? The left hand side will be called the M1, left hand side. So it will be 1. And the right hand side will be called as M2. Right hand side, how many 1s are there? 1 plus 1 plus 1. So M2 is what? 3. Now I will talk about point Q. Left hand side will be M1, 1 plus 1, 2. Right hand side will be M2, 1 plus 1, here also 2. And last one will be point R. Left hand side will be M1, 1 plus 1 plus 1, it will be 3. Right hand side will be M2, it will be 1. So these are the values of M1, M2, and this will be the X1, Y1, this one will be the X2 and Y2. Now if I have to find the point P, suppose, then the X value will be what? M1 X2 plus M2 X1 upon M1 plus M2, and the formula of Y was M1 Y2 plus M2 Y1 upon M1 plus M2. Now M1 value for point P is what? 1, and X2 is what? 2. So 1 into 2, answer is 2. M2 is 3. X1 is 6. 3 2s are 6, minus 6. M1 plus M2, that 1 plus 3. That 2 minus 6, it will be what? Minus 4 upon 4. Answer will be minus 1. Now Y1, M1 Y2. M1 is 1 and Y2 is 8. So 1 into 8, 8. M2 Y1. M2 Y1. 3 2s are 6. Upon M1 plus M2, 1 plus 3. That 14 upon 4. It will be 7 by 2. So this will be the point. So the point P is what? Minus 1 comma 7 by 2. Similarly, you can find the point Q also. M1 is this, M2 is this, and point R also. M1 is this and M2 is this, by applying the same formula. Now question number 10th, find the area of rhombus. 10th question. Tenth question is find the area of rhombus. Find the area of rhombus if the vertices of rhombus are 3, 0, 4, 5. Vertices is 3, 0, 4, 5 and minus 1, 4 and -2, -1. These are the vertices. Hint is the area of rhombus is also given. We also know the formula area of rhombus is product of two diagonals. Means AC you have to find and BD you have to find. Okay. So now AC I will find by the distance formula, that x2 minus x1, that 3 plus 1 and 0 minus 4. Now 3 plus 1 is 4, square of 4, 36, and minus 4 square is 36 also. So it will be root 72. And what you can write root 72? Look at this. 36, 18, 9, 3, 3. First pair, second pair. 3 2s are 6 and left is root 2. 6 root 2 we can write. Okay. Now BD. This one. The same formula. X2 minus x1, like 4 minus minus will be plus. 4 plus 2 square. 5 minus minus will be plus. 5 plus 1 square. So again 4 plus 2, 6, 6 square is 36, 5 plus 1 square is 5 plus 1, same answer, 72 only. No, wait. 5 plus 1. 3 plus 1, 4. Wait, my mistake. 3 plus 1 is 4. Square of 4 is 16, not 36. Sorry. Here 4 square is 16 and here also 4 square is 16. 16 plus 16 is 32. Under root 32 is there and under root 32 is 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. Now first pair, second pair. 2 2s are 4 and left 4 root 2. Now this one, 4 plus 2, 6 square, 36. Here also square 6, 36. And right now only we find it root 72 will be 6 root 2. This only. Now what is the formula of area of rhombus? Area of rhombus is half into product of diagonals. So half diagonals are AC and BD. So 4 root 2 and 6 root 2. Now 1 by 2. Now 4 6 are 24 and root 2 into root 2 is 2 only. So 2 and 2 will be cancelled. So 24 square unit will be the answer. Because this is the area, so answer will be in a square unit. So finally our exercise is completed. Now I think you all aware about this, the third exercise. That the 7.3 is already deleted. No need to do the third exercise. And miscellaneous exercise, some questions only we have to do. Fourth one exercise, optional one. That first one, I think we will do first one, we will do third one, fourth one, and I will see that one also. So now afterwards we discuss the 7.4 exercise. Thank you all of you.